So this is exactly how to connect your JBL Bluetooth speaker to your PlayStation 5 here, as you can see. If you're trying to connect it directly via Bluetooth to your PlayStation 5, you have probably noticed that it doesn't work, and that is because it's not recognizing it, unfortunately, but there is a way to work around this. And basically what we need to do, we need to connect it to our TV instead, and I'm going to show you why. So I'm just going to click on this button here on my remote, click on my homepage here. Perfect. So basically the reason why we need to connect it to our TV is because when it's connected to our TV, it's going to automatically be recognized on our PlayStation 5 as well, because the PlayStation 5, you can see, is also connected to my TV. So I'm going to go into settings, click on all settings, scroll down and click on remotes and accessories, and then click on pair accessory. Now, of course, what we need to do on our JBL speakers is to just click on the power button right here, firstly, until it turns on. Perfect. So now I believe we have to click one time at the Bluetooth here. Yeah, perfect. So you just click on it here until it's going to start blinking like this. Now it's in pairing mode. I'm just going to click on OK. And here it is, as you can see. If I connect to it now, click on pair. Perfect. Now I'm just going to go back to my PlayStation 5 and see if it actually recognizes it. And yeah, you can see the sound is now coming to this JBL Bluetooth speakers instead. I hope you can hear it okay. But basically that is exactly how to actually do this.